Coding in Minecraft by Prodigy Learning is a full coding credentials and curriculum pathway. It begins with our intro to coding using MakeCode credential. This is basic block-based coding done inside the game of Minecraft. It also covers digital citizenship and how to work together as a team in a digital environment. Then you move into the intermediate credential. The intermediate credential covers the coding fundamentals of variables, logic, and loops, but still in a familiar block-based coding environment. Then you move into the advanced credential. The advanced credential transfers the students from block-based coding into text-based coding, and the instructor can choose either JavaScript or Python for that text-based coding. At the end of the pathway is a capstone credential exam. This is a 30-question, multiple-choice, and drag-and-drop exam that proves the skills that the students learn throughout the entire first part of the pathway. After that advanced capstone credential exam is our expert credential. This is JavaScript or Python and hits on 49% of the big ideas for the AP Computer Science Principles course. At the end of that pathway is our expert capstone exam. Coding in Minecraft was created to be easy to teach because we know there are teachers out there being asked to teach coding who don't have a coding background. So the teacher becomes the facilitator of the learning, and the students lead their own learning throughout the game of Minecraft. In fact, the students will do everything inside the game, from lessons to activities and assessments. They leave the game to go upload the evidence of their assessment into our online assessment portal, which has an auto-grade feature. All of our curriculum is standards aligned to the CSTA standards as well as a variety of local and state standards. And we provide all the instructor resources teachers need to get started. We also provide professional development. Coding in Minecraft works inside Minecraft Education. Minecraft Education is included with Microsoft 365 Education A3 or A5 licenses, but can be purchased if your district does not have one of those licenses. Let's take a look at the student journey of coding in Minecraft. The students will start on our online portal where they will download the Minecraft world file and then import that into Minecraft Education. Once they've imported their world into Minecraft, they begin on their learning journey by following along on their learning path. They will interact with a series of non-player characters or NPCs who will give them information and lead them on their journey. They will also find a series of activities. These activities are scaffolded to help them learn how to build code that does certain tasks. They'll be able to test their code and get help along the way as they go through these activities. Then they can see their code run immediately on the screen. At the end of each lesson is an assessment challenge. This challenge shows that the students have learned what they needed to learn in the previous activities. Here they will build their code themselves without the support of the scaffolds that they had during the activities. They can try and run their code as many times as they need until they get it correct. Coding in Minecraft Introduction and Intermediate credentials use block-based coding. Advanced and Expert credentials use JavaScript or Python. Once the student submits their assessment in our online portal, it is passed along to the educator. The teacher is then able to view the code, download it, give feedback, and mark it as complete or needs further work. At the end of the pathway is our capstone credential exam. This exam is fully web-based, so you don't have to install anything for your students to be able to take the exam. We also feature all the accessibility tools they need to be successful. After they take and pass the exam, the students will earn their full Coding in Minecraft credential as well as a digital badge. As I mentioned, we offer all the instructor resources the teachers need to get started. Everything from lesson plans, slide decks, to course outlines and student worksheets, even practice exams for that capstone credential exam. Teachers do not need to do anything to be able to get started with coding in Minecraft. If you're interested in finding out more about coding in Minecraft, go to codingcredentials.com. scroll to the bottom of that page and fill out the form. There you'll find more information and also be able to access a free demo of the product. If you have questions or need support for coding in Minecraft, email us at support@codingcredentials.com.